Okay, we've set up our class. Now let's add some content. So when you open up your class, the first thing you're going to see is the Stream tab. And this is a tab that the kids see first as well. So they oftentimes will see this when they're using a cell phone or tablet. Stream is a great place to share a message with your class. Now I can post. I can schedule this to post at another date and time, or I can save it as a draft. Save it as a draft means I'm the only one who can see it until I post it. So I'll just post it. And the other thing to know about Stream is that it's like social media. The most recent thing you post goes at the top, and then everything gets pushed down every time you post something new. Classwork is where you're going to create the content of your course. So the first thing you want to do is create a topic. So I'm going to add 3 topics. Okay, so my 3 topics are here, and now I'm going to add in some material. The first thing I'm going to add is my course calendar, but I'm not going to put it in a topic. So the majority of things I add will be from my Google Drive. The good thing about adding things from the Google Drive is that if I go on Google Drive and update anything, it automatically updates for the kids. I don't have to have different copies of a version, a newer copy. So here's my calendar, and this will stay at the top because anything that does not have a topic, it doesn't get shifted down. So now I'm going to create an assignment. Can't type today. I'm going to give this 100 points. I'm going to give it a due date and a time. I think it's a good practice for assignments. It motivates the kids. They can see when something's due, and motivated kids will get things in, often get things in early. So I'm going to put this under Hamlet, and I'm again going to link it to a document on my Google Drive. So here I'm going to select make a copy for each student because this is an assignment, so each student should have their own copy. And I can choose to, again, save it as a draft if I'm not ready for them to see it yet, schedule it to start at a certain time and date, or I'm going to assign it. So what the kids see once I've assigned this is they see their own copy of this assignment. And they'll click on it, and they will be able to type directly on this assignment, and you can actually see them typing. So it's like shared document, it's shared with you. This is the teacher version. If you were to see the student side, you would see that they have a button here that says turn in. And when they turn in this button, I'll see if I had 30 kids in the class here, then when they turn in, one kid turns it in, I'll see 29 and 1, and then 28 and 2. And for each kid that turns it in, it goes into my turn in. But then, if I look at my to-do list, the kids also have their version of a to-do list. My to-do list will have all my Google classes. I'll choose the class I'm working on, and I can see what's been turned in, what's been assigned, and then I can grade it right on here. Once I've graded it, I've reviewed it, it's going to show me that I've reviewed that. Go back to our class. And now I'm going to create an assignment. Material. So this will be in my novel study, and I'm going to again use a slideshow from my Google Drive. So Google Slides. I'm going to post this. So now in my novel study I have this. I can post many things under one topic. I just have to pick them all, and I can go under there. I can use edit to edit this, so I can add in another document right here, and I can add in a link to someplace else. Linking is good, so if you have if you're using Moodle and you have a link on Moodle, you can open that link, copy the URL and post it here, and the kids will be linked right to that page on Moodle. Okay, but I don't want that. Save. Okay, and that's basically all you want to do. Another feature that's quite nice is the question feature. You can easily post a question. You can have the students reply to each other. You can have them edit their answer, which I think is always a good thing. You can have it as a short answer. You can give them multiple choice. It's up to you. It's just feedback and a little bit of formative work. So that's about it. I hope this helps, and good luck.